Hi guys, finally the long awaited video is here and I'm so much excited to do this video. Thank you so much for clicking and kindly watch till the end. Basically, I'm gonna be doing a bedsitter stroke studio stroke Airbnb studio tour. Kindly watch till the end so that you may know what is in my studio, and subscribe, like, and leave a comment on what to think about it. Let's get into it. Boom. I'm going to start with the kitchen area, then the main room, and the bathroom, then the balcony. So once you enter the door, the first thing that you meet is the fridge and the microwave. So let me show you inside. That's the fridge, and that's the microwave. And then we have the 2-burner cooker over here and a small green kitchen mat. And then we have the kitchen rack with some utensils, the essential utensils that you need. We also have the kettle, and behind the kettle is the pan. And we have some like few details over here. I was gifted this bird by a friend of mine, and then the wall picture, which I love so much, which says this kitchen is seasoned with love. I love it so much. And then let's get into here. We have the glasses and the coffee mugs. This other side, you also have other kitchen essentials. We have those tins and 3 cooking pans. There are 3 of them, different sizes. And up there we have our blender and the kitchen weighing scale. And that is how our kitchen looks like. Coming on to this other side, let me stand over there because of the lighting. And to begin with, that is the balcony door over there. That's the balcony door. And we have our 43-inch TV, Netflix available. And then we have this beautiful TV stand with some beautiful flowers and our small system. And this carpet over here, which is so fluffy. The most fluffiest carpet ever. And then we have the small coffee table over there. It was big, and then I called someone to make it small for me. And then that's the remote. And then we have this comfortable sofa bed. You can even sleep here like all night, all day. It's very comfortable. I'm sure you will love it. And something else very important, we have our iron box over there and the mosquito spray. And then we have the dressing mirror. The wardrobes, and we come next to this window. This curtain can be closed like that one. Actually, I have closed that one so that you can see. It can be drawn. You just draw it like this way, and that's it. Inajifunga, you know. And then now this is the bed, a very beautiful bed. It can accommodate at least 2 people. It's very comfortable. High density mattress, you can see that. And it's a 5x6 bed. Very comfortable. Sure, you love it too. And then we have this working side over here, this working table and the seat. So if you have a laptop like mine, and you need to work from there, you can just sit comfortably and work. Over here is the sink, and then the mirror. and beside the bed is the mat, and here we also have another bathroom mat and the bathroom slipper. So let's get into the bedroom now. Here we are, and there goes the shower. We have this area over here where you can keep your things. You can keep your things, that where the tissue is, the shower gel, the spray, and the toilet cleaner. There we go. That's the toilet. And now let's see the balcony. The balcony door. I'll show you the view from this side. That's the view. Then this house is located just next to Bamburi cement factory, and if you know where Bamburi cement factory is located, then you know where the beach is. Let me show you something else. I don't know whether you can see the white building over there. That white building over there, that is where the beach is located. I know I have already written this in the subtitles, but I need also to mention that this B&B is located in Bamburi, Mtambo. Most people who book B&Bs in Bamburi, they know Bamburi Fisheries. Bamburi Fisheries is just 2 minutes from here. This location is called Bamburi Mtambo, but Bamburi Fisheries is just next, not very far from here. Just hata nikiwa hapa I can see Bamburi Fisheries when you are at our rooftop, when you are at the rooftop of these buildings. So it's not that far from Bamburi Fisheries, of which that is not the main point. Something else that you need to know about this B&B is that it's located near shopping centers. The moment too you are just outside there are a lot shops, grocery, whatever, anything that you need to buy. We also have a supermarket, Neighbor Supermarket in Bamburi Fisheries, 1 minute or 2 minutes walk, and also it's located near the main road. I don't know whether you have seen the white building. That is where the main road is. Unasimama tu hapo, and that's the main road. I have also shown you the Bamburi factory, meaning that the location of this B&B is just close to Bamburi / Pirates Beach. It's a 10 minutes walk to the beach. What else do you need to know? We have free Netflix, free Wi-Fi, free parking, and yeah, I hope you people are going to book with me. And also, if you need like a 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, or maybe other studios, you can also call me. The number is down here on this side. You can just text me. I'm always available. I'm always online, and I'm always on. The moment to make a call, I'll pick your call. The moment to text, I'll reply to your text. Period. If you need any B&Bs, I can connect with you. Even in Diani, in Nyali, in Bamburi, I can connect with you. So far, I have already interacted with other people with Airbnb. So I know a lot B&Bs located in different places, even in Diani. Yeah, I think I'll end the video, and thank you so much for watching. Kindly guys, book with me, come for short and long stays, and yeah, I'll be your host, and I'll be so much glad to host you. The range at which I give my B&B is 1,500 per night, and that is during low season, and during high season 2,000 per night. Okay, msiseme unatuonyesha nyumba, you're not giving us the range and everything. It's 1,500 during low season and 2,000 during high season. So book with me, and you're so much welcome. Pretty sure you're going to love my services. I know that. I did hospitality in school, by the way. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. So you're so much welcome, and I love you. Goodbye. See you in the next video.